Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we review the best blenders of 2024. If you are looking for a powerful, durable, and functional blender for your kitchen, you are in the right place. After watching our video, you will be able to easily determine which blender best suits your needs. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at the Vitamix A3500. Vitamix is known for its professional quality blenders, and the A3500 model lives up to this reputation. Thanks to its 2.2 horsepower motor, it can easily blend even the toughest ingredients. This saves users time and allows them to quickly and efficiently prepare a variety of recipes, such as smoothies, soups, ice cream, and purees. 5 programmable settings allow you to effortlessly prepare different recipes. Stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting use, while the 64-ounce capacity BPA-free Triton jug is ideal for preparing large portions. The self-clean feature makes cleaning a breeze, so you'll spend less effort. Wireless connectivity and a touchscreen display provide both an aesthetic and functional advantage in modern kitchens. Our next model is the Ninja Foodi Power Blender Processor System. Ninja is known for affordable yet high-performance kitchen appliances, and this model combines the functions of a blender and food processor, making it versatile. The 1,400 watts of motor power shreds tough ingredients with ease, while a variety of automatic programs and manual speed settings give users the control they need for different recipes. The 72-ounce capacity jug is perfect for large families or those who want to prepare large portions. Sharp and durable blades deliver high performance, even with prolonged use. Dishwasher-safe parts make the cleaning process easy. The chopper and kneading attachment make this blender a versatile helper in the kitchen. The Blendtec Designer 725 model is also worthy of attention. Blendtec is famous for its robust and powerful blenders, and the Designer 725 model stands out for its 3.8 horsepower motor. This power allows you to blend even the most difficult ingredients quickly and efficiently. The smart touchscreen offers ease of use, while 6 programmable settings and 100 speed options help you perfect your recipes. The 90-ounce capacity Triton pitcher is ideal for preparing large portions. Stainless steel blades ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The self-clean feature makes cleaning your blender a breeze. The noise reduction technology ensures a quiet working environment, so you can use your blender without disturbing your family or neighbors. Our next model is the KitchenAid K400. KitchenAid is known for its stylish designs and durable kitchen appliances. The K400 model stands out with its 1.5 horsepower motor and stainless steel blades. These features provide users with smooth and homogeneous blends every time. The 56-ounce capacity glass jug offers durability and the advantage of healthy use. 3 programmable settings and variable speed control allow you to perfect different recipes. Dishwasher-safe parts simplify the cleaning process. The impact-resistant design and quiet operation ensure long-lasting and comfortable use. Finally, let's take a look at the Breville Super Q model. Breville is known for its innovative and high-quality kitchen appliances. The Super Q model stands out with its 1,800-watt motor and large capacity. This power allows you to mix even the most difficult ingredients quickly and efficiently. Stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting and reliable performance. The 68-ounce capacity BPA-free Triton jug is ideal for preparing large portions. 5 programmable settings and variable speed control help you prepare your recipes just the way you like them. The self-clean feature makes the cleaning process extremely simple. The powerful and quiet motor comes with the personal blender jug, which is perfect for those who want to prepare portions for one. Thank you for watching our video. We reviewed the best blenders of 2024, and we hope this video helped you find the best blender for your needs. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified of our new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.